Hey everyone, this is Julie with Heard That. Today we are going to be working on Rhonda's and Tom's house with at home with Tom and Rhonda. Tom and Rhonda has started this project, and as you know, they've already done the pantry and stuff. But with everything that's coming up, Tom is trying to get this done for Rhonda's birthday. That's in November, and with them both being nurses and stuff, it's just hard. And Tom's working 2 jobs, works a lot of overtime. So we are going to try to finish this for them. So as you know, if you follow our channels, at home and Tom and Rhonda used to live. I'm gonna take you out here a little bit and show you. So, at home, and Tom and Rhonda bought 2 acres. Their son, John, we just built this house for him. But, so this is 2 acres, and you see the acre over there. There's 2 acres that Jason Crocker and Jared Crocker used to live. And this house was Jason and Jared's and Jaylena's. And Tom and Rhonda moved it over to their land because Jared left it when he went to Oklahoma to build a house with Jason and Danielle. So anyway, long story short, this house used to be green, and we just painted it. If you go back on my videos, you'll see that we painted this for Rhonda's birthday and put shutters and stuff. So again, if you follow our channel, my son Tristan McKissick, I can find him. He does a lot of our remodels and stuff, and he's going to help his aunt and uncle. Tristan, where are you? Tristan! I don't know where he's at. But anyway, Ron and Tom bought some beautiful stuff. They just hung this cabinet up. Rhonda wants to take all the white off and put cedar around it. She got some new floor that we're going to be laying. They just did their cabinets and stuff. She has a beautiful white stove that's coming. But so we're just going to take one room at a time, get it completely done, and then move forward to the living room. So this is going to be her dining area, where she has her table and all her little pretty stuff. So, and I guess we'll put the barn door back up. And then in here will be the living room and stuff. She has a lot of different wood tones and stuff. She wants that rustic feel, but Rhonda is very feminine and stuff, so I know that's why she got the little crystal knobs. So she likes real pretty, fancy stuff. So we're going to be doing all of that. This is going to be an island. If you watch At Home and Tom and Rhonda, look them up and you can see all the stuff that they've been doing. But this is the floor that they got. It's called bacon board, I guess. Looks like bacon. But anyway, that will bring all the different kinds of wood stuff, so I hope it looks good. When they moved it, like that beam right there is coming apart. We need to put that back together. Just the seam up here. So there's little things that needs to be fixed and stuff. But there he is. So that's Tristan. Y'all see him on different videos at Home with Tom and Rhonda and on Heard That. And then Heard That Outdoors. And he has his own channel if you want to look him up at Tristan McKissick. He's supposed to be doing a lot more, right, Tristan?
Yeah.
Yeah, he started off good, but he didn't finish good. But if y'all want to go to watch Tristan McKissick put up some new videos. He does a lot of hunting videos and stuff, 4-wheeling and all that kind of stuff. But that's Tristan McKissick. And then Heard That Outdoors, and then At Home with Tom and Rhonda. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so Tristan is starting to take the trim off the windows. He already has that one over there.
You don't have a tripod?
There's another one. Something's happening across the street.
Oh goodness knows.
There's a fire rescue, a police car. I don't know. There's happening over here at Home with Tom and Rhonda.
My fellow can't get up. She's life alert. Maybe she hit her life alert.
What?
Maybe she hit her life alert. Huh?
I don't know what's happening over there. What'd you do? They got the stretcher.
What?
I said they got the stretcher out.
What did you like that?
Okay, now we're taking up the floor here in the living room. I told the guys we sort of like that floor right there. That was underneath.
It's not floor.
Pretty cool looking. Even got Randy out here helping.
Well, partner.
Randy.
I don't know how I got looked into this. So I'm glad I insured the head of that crossbow when I sent it. Yeah. Because apparently that Category 5 hurricane that's going towards Florida, it's going right next to Gainesville, which is where they are.
Yeah,
I insured it for $300, so
that's good.
if it turns up missing, I'll just buy a whole new crossbow.
Ready?
It is. It was only like $2.50 for every $100 you insure it for. I was like, yeah, I'll spend $7, insure it for $300. Hell yeah. I don't have to. I could just trim it out, maybe.
Okay, the floor's up for the most part. Tristan's gonna see what's going on with that beam right there. Okay, here we are, day 2. So Tristan's framing out the window, and you can see how that looks really nice. I think I like it better than the white. Okay, let's get started. Okay, that's completely finished. Now we're going to move over here and put the boards up there on the top. Don't know what's gonna happen right there because the Crocker Boys, the Crocker Boys, they dog-eared it all the way, or left it dog-eared. So I'm gonna see what the trim does on that. Because to make that right, you have to take all that out and butt it all the way to the end there. So anyway, let's see what this looks like. I could never have made that cut right there. But Tristan made that cut.
Am I supposed to put a border right here?